Feels good, bro? Feels good up in there? It's coming together.
Yeah. Getting everything cleaned out a little bit, and then we're going to go through and just polish everything.
Okay, cool.
This is going on a K24A2 for my right-hand drive EG6. Another all-wheel drive build that we're working on right now. So.
A day in the life. What's up, man?
What's going on, man?
Oh,
What's up, saying?
TK.
What's up, bro? Yeah, I met him already.
Okay, introduce him.
What's up, man?
This is
Duncan.
What's up, Duncan?
He's with Alliance.
Alliance. Oh, what's up?
And then
Oh.
that is Ronnie.
Ronnie, what's up, Ronnie? Sorry, man. What are you doing, saying?
Just changing this thing out, changing a few things. And here we found out that there was a broken bolt in here that they did right here. We took out, it was just sitting in there. I was like, man. And then it was this part right here. They had a funky, I don't know, one of these. I took it out and put a new one on. So we're just changing out the
Freshening
seals.
up.
Yeah.
Make sure when you start up, nothing.
A car, we want to just freshen everything up and all that, and make sure everything's clean.
Oh, so you put on the minty water pipe.
Yep.
And these are
Clean it out.
These are nice, man.
Yeah, we changed that out. We had the regular style. What is it? We're using these. But we went with the AM.
Yeah. Nice.
It's just a cleaner look.
Oh, that's some block.
Oh, this might not even work. Nope. I got another one.
That's too big right there.
Yeah, I think it might be for like an LS or something.
Look who just showed up to work. Look who just showed up to work. Where you going, man? Give the people some cold start. Let's see the, well, not cold start, but let's hear this. What year this one?
92.
92 is nice.
92 R1.
Of course. Alliance Racing just came by.
Red line?
Alliance.
Alliance? Oh, look at that guy. I haven't seen him in a while.
Nice. On to the topic of the day. We're gonna show you guys our 78 Corolla with a TSX motor and a S2000 transmission. K24A2 from a TSX. Got some K-Tune goodies on there. Today we're just mocking up some mounts. After we mount the mounts up, the kit's gonna be available for sale. That's a stock S2000 exhaust manifold right there. We modified it so it fit pretty good. Like I said, this is a K24A2 in a 78 Corolla. Adapter plate. It's coming together pretty good. Show you guys a side view. I'm gonna raise it up for you guys so you can see the bottom. So you see it's all raised up right now. You guys can take a look at the bottom right here. You can see where the S2000 header cleared up nice. See the shifter is gonna be perfect. It's gonna go to a forward rear end. KK's making the custom brackets for now, mocking up. What's going on right here, KK?
Just trying to line this up, trying to make this nice and neat, it's clean, nice bracket. And then this side's gonna be a little different because of the way it's set up. Each side's not the same.
It's coming along good though, yeah?
Yeah, just pretty much shaping it. Make sure the holes line up, everything lines up. So it's kind of like cut and paste for now.
Go back, shave, cut down, go back, back and forth.
Back and forth. Time, tedious, but that's what gets the job done, you know?
Yep. Looking good. We got Jedi Jit back here doing the Jedi things. Making some version 2 diff remount. Nice.
I gotta go get him some food. I gotta get my little nephew some food.
Oh, for he's hungry?
Yeah, he's hungry.
Oh man.
He's hangry now.
From hungry to hangry.
Yep.
Alright guys, don't forget to like our videos, subscribe. We're just new to this. So we're just trying to show you guys all what we do. We've been doing this for over what thing? 15, 20 years.
1980 something?
From BMW has what? Hard bodies. So
He wants food, man. You might want to go with him.